Today we'll be seeing how the website would be able to enable the make an offer option for the products and how he can get the request codes from the customers. And after you are having all the details of your customers, you can then easily contact them and can motivate them for the purchase thereafter. So on the product page, as you can see here, we have a make an offer button, as you can see, and if I tap on that, we have the section wherein the customer needs to fill the details to make an offer to the admin's product. So here we have the product name. The product price is $36. The customer can enter his email address. He can enter the product quantity that he wants to purchase. So for example, if I set it as 10, I can then set the price per quantity as for example, if I wanted it for 20, and the customer can also set up a request message to the admin. So I'll just set it as test message, and thereafter the customer just needs to tap here on the submit offer button. So if I tap here on that, you can see that the offer has been submitted successfully, and basically we have made made an offer to the product owner itself from the product page by just tapping here on the make an offer button. And this make an offer button comes in two variations. One is the pop-up one that we've just seen, and the other one is here between the tabs of the product. So we'll see that as well in a moment from now. And after the successful submission of the offer, the admin can accept, decline, or counter any offer based on the quotation, and the admin and the users can then discuss and continue to negotiate using the discussion panel provided. And when the offer gets accepted, the customer gets notified via email, and the sales goes on and on. And basically apart from that, it also helps you to increase your conversion rates, as well as reduce the abandoned cart in your store. So before we proceed further to see the rest of the workflow at the customer's end, please do subscribe to our channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the latest updated features, as well as the updated and new products that we are launching each and every day here. And let's get ahead and let's see how the rest of the workflow for the customer operates. So for that, so this is the another example. One was the pop-up that we just saw while we were submitting the offer there to the admin product. And here you can see within the product tabs, we also have this option. It depends upon the configuration settings that allow you to set it up within the tabs or on under the button there, as we have already shown you from the product page, the make an offer, otherwise here. So here also you can set that up, and from here as well the customer can enter the details as we've already set up, and then tap on the submit offer button to submit the offer for that particular product of the web store admin. Now after the submission of the order of the offer, the customer receives a confirmation email, as you can see right now, and the status of all the offers can be viewed under the my account and offers for the customer. So for that, we'll just log into the customer panel by entering the username, password, and tapping here on the login button. So here we have the customer's account on the left hand side, and under the my account we have view offers, and here we have the offer details. So here you can see that there were the offer details, and we can also view the particular offer details by tapping here on the wave link. I'll just open that up in another window. It shows the created date, the status, whether it's accepted, declined, or rejected itself, or and apart from that, we can also see the per product price and the requested quantity by the customer itself, along with the product ID, as well as you can see here itself. Now let's go to the web link, and here we can see the manage offers for that particular offer detail that we are checking right now. And here we have the offer discussion, and the offer is basically offers promoted by the admin. And after the acceptance, here we have the promotional link. So from here, the customer can now buy this particular product according to his own requirements there. So per product quantity is there, per product price is there, the base currency is there, the requested message that we can see. So while we are making an offer, here we have space for the requested message. So and the same is here, and the status right now is accepted. If I tap here in the offer discussion, it would basically display the offer discussion that was done with the admin by the customer itself. So right now we don't have any message because we've already just accepted it directly. Otherwise, if we are entering any text here or the discussion text here, that would be visible under the chat history, as you can see. And from here you can post any of the message back to the admin for that particular offer that you've set up. So here you can see the message has been sent successfully. And now let's go back to the offer details. And one more thing is there, from the offer discussion we check the section wherein we can check the details of the discussion between the customer and the admin. Apart from that, we can see that the requested product was push it messenger bag. The quantity was 20 and the per product price was 40. But after it has been accepted, here you can see that the requested product quantity is right now alright. Basically these are two different ones. One is still under the scanner and the other one is done. And here we can see that we can tap here on the buy here link, and we'll be able to add 15 quantity at $40. So the same is visible here, 15 quantity, $40. It has auto added to the cart, and now the customer can make a checkout thereafter and can place the order according to his own requirement there. That depends upon the setup that he has set up with the admin for the offer for that particular product. So we just went through the offer discussion with the admin, and for example, if the offer has been updated by the admin from the back, and then the user will get the updated offer. So right now you can see that there was the initial one. Then when it got updated, we have this green one where we can now buy the requested offer for that product and can purchase that product according to the quantity that we have provided for the offer and the amount per product itself. And if the offer has been notified, then it will become an old promotion and a new promotion would be generated, as you can see here, and with the buy here link. And accordingly then you can add for example 60 units for $50, 60 units for $50, and then you can make a checkout thereafter. Now let's see how the admin would be able to make an offer or how he can allow the offer on products basically. So for that I'll just take you to the admin backend panel now, and kindly note that make an offer can be enabled for a single product or for a category as well. And while adding or editing a product, an option that's the allow offer on product can be enabled by the admin. So let's check that out. Log into my admin backend panel, and now we'll just go to sales, and then I'm sorry for that, we'll just go to catalog, basically catalog, and then products. So we can add the offer to a new product as well, to an old product. I'll just show you that. Apart from that, after the successful installation of this particular plugin, the admin will have the make an offer option on the left hand side, where he'll be able to manage the offers. Apart from that, we'll also be showing you how we can configure the initial configuration settings for this particular plugin. So but before that, let's see how we can add an offer to the products. So here we are on the products page. So for example, if I edit this particular product, so you can add a new product and go to the section that's the allow offer on product, and that would allow the offer on the product. So you can do it to a new or to an already created product. So for now I'll just give you an example for the already created product. So I'll just scroll down, and we have to go to the section here, and that would basically be somewhere around, okay, I'll just scroll down back, and here we have the allow offer on product, so we can choose it as a yes, and choosing a yes would allow an offer to be applicable on this particular product. And after that we just need to tap here in the save button, and that would apply the offer to this particular product, and the offer would be applicable to that product, and the product has been saved. The same can be done for the category as well, and for that we'll just navigate to catalog and then categories, and in the similar way we just need to choose the category and then choose the option allow offer and category as yes. So let me show you that. So if I go to women category, that's the main category, we can go to any subcategory as well. Alright, let's go to a subcategory initially, and here I have tops, and now I just want to allow offer on the category as well. So for the tops we can see here we have the allow offer on category, so we can choose it as a yes and then tap on the save button, and this would apply the make an offer feature for this particular category itself. So that's how we can apply it to a new or an already created product or on the categories. That's the make an offer feature. Now let's see how the admin can view the offer requests by navigating to make an offer and then manage offer. So under here the admin can view the offer request by the customers. So let's check that out as well. So here we'll be finding a complete list of the offers that have been sent in. So here we can see that 2 are accepted, 1 is open. Let's tap here on the view link to check that particular one. We can delete any offers as well and filter them out as well. So here we have the offer details, requested offer details by the customer. The admin can accept the offer from here, or he can decline the offer as well. And here we have product quantity is 10, product price is $20, and the test message. So this was the initial one that I had sent out to the admin from the storefront initially, if you remember, and I had set the product quantity 10, 20, and the requested message was test message. So let's go to offer discussion. So offer discussion can be done only after accepting the offer. Before that we cannot do that. Recent promotions, so we don't have. Old promotions we don't have. So status is open right now. Let's accept the offer. Here is the one that's there. So here's the promotion, basically create promotion. So I'll set the product quantity as 9, and I'll set the product price as 28 maybe, and number of days as 8, and we'll just enter the promotion description once again, test admin, right, test admin, test, and submit offer thereafter. So that's how we can accept the offer, and if we want we can create the promotion as well. So you can see that the promotion has been created successfully and the request has been now accepted for 1020 that you can see here. And now if I go to the offer discussion, now I'll be able to discuss with the customer itself. So from here we can send a reply back to the customer. So right now if I go to recent promotions, here you can see that product per product price is 28, requested quantity is 9, and the number of days is 8, and the promotion description. So this would be visible to the customer initially, and within the old promotion, if I create a new promotion, then this current promotion will be set up into the old and a new recent promotion would be created. The admin can also block the discussion here with the customer by tapping here on the block this discussion. He can also decline the offer. He can also edit the offer. If edited, the new promotion would be under the recent one, and the old one that is under the recent would be set up to the old promotions thereafter. So you can also block the discussions by just tapping in the block discussion for the offer discussions, and you can see that the block discussion with customer, if I go to the offer discussion section, we can see that the discussion has been blocked for the customer. We can also reopen the discussion by tapping on the reopen discussion. and it would reopen the discussion. If I go back to that tab, now we can again chat test with that customer, and we can tap here on the send button, and if any message comes up, that would also be visible here from the customer's end. And also the expired ones are visible here under the old promotion that I've already told you. And once the admin accepts the offer, an email will be sent out to the respective customer, be it a guest customer or the registered customer, with a promotional link in the email. And the customer just needs to tap on that particular link, and he'll be redirected to the cart page thereafter to proceed with the checkout and buy the products as negotiated with the store admin itself. So that was about the admin's end, and let's see the initial configuration settings for this particular plugin. So for that, we'll just navigate through stores and then configuration, and here on the configuration page under the Webkul block, we have the make an offer option, and we just need to tap that up. So this option now comes after you have successfully installed this particular plugin within your web store, and here we have the option to enable or disable this particular functionality within your web store. Apart from that, we have the offer pop-up form settings. So here are the form settings for the pop-up offer for the customers. So from here you can choose to allow for the guest users, and from here you can basically, the admin can allow the guest users as well to make an offer for the products. Otherwise, if you want to disallow the guest users, just choose it as a no, otherwise select it as a yes. Display offers in product tab, whether you want to display the offers in the display the offer in product tab as well, you can choose a yes for that. And you can also choose the add button text, as we were seeing at the storefront. You can also set up the pop-up title, and you can also set you can also add a success message that would be visible after you submitted the make an offer there for a particular product of the web store admin, and for which you're going to negotiate. So thereafter, you just need to tap here on the save configuration button, and you're done configuring this particular plugin. That's the Magento to make an offer plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow. And do give it a thumbs up if you like this particular video, and if you have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements, then kindly reach back to us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvidesk.com. Thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.